My name's Martyn and I work in the Capital Liaison Department for Severn Trent in the West area. I've worked in the water industry now for 26 years. I love the outdoors. I'm always out walking. Most weekends I'm out hiking in Snowdonia, Shropshire Hills or areas of the Peak District. I take people for hikes. I love meeting new people, enjoying the countryside with them, just generally having a good time. Because I love the outdoors so much, it's given me added incentive for the project that I've been doing, and that's improving river quality. It's great to be able to do something that's so proactive with reducing spills and just generally improving the countryside that we live within. So behind me we have 6 SAF units, that's submerged aerated filter. Currently we're looking at about 31 in total. Each one, after about 6 weeks, will go off to a respective site and reduce storm spillages and help improve river quality at that particular site. Each unit will allow us to take more flow on each site, which reduces the amount of storm flow to the river, and that will increase the water quality. It's great to be part of the investment that Severn Trent are making. It's cost effective what we're doing, and it's good to see the money being spent in a worthwhile cause. We're treating more water better and more effectively. If you'd like to find out more about the investment that Severn Trent are making in improving river quality, please visit stwater.co.uk/rivers.